In today's video, I'm going to teach you iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, how to remove credit card from App Store. We'll walk through this on an iPhone 7, and it works the same on the iPhone 7 Plus. To begin, open the App Store. You can be on any tab, today, games, apps, or search. It doesn't matter for this process. Next, head to your account. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. If you haven't set a photo, it might just look like a blank silhouette. This opens your account page where you can manage settings linked to your Apple ID. From here, open your account details by tapping your name and email at the very top. If you're prompted to authenticate, go ahead and do that. On an iPhone 7, you'll typically use Touch ID or your Apple ID password. If your device suggests Face ID on a different model, that works too. Once you're authenticated, you'll see your Apple ID details. Now tap Manage Payments. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. You'll see all the payment methods currently linked to your Apple ID, such as Apple Pay, credit cards, or debit cards. To remove a card, tap the specific card you want to delete, for example, a MasterCard or Visa. Scroll down and tap Remove Payment Method. You'll be asked to confirm, tap Remove again. After that, the card is no longer associated with your App Store account. If you go back one screen, you should see that it's gone from your list of payment methods. If you want to add a different way to pay, that's optional but easy to do. Go back to Manage Payments, tap Add Payment Method, then choose the option you prefer and follow the on-screen steps to set it up. This is helpful if you still want to make purchases or keep subscriptions running without interruption. A quick note in case you can't remove a payment method. This usually happens for one of two reasons. You might have an active subscription billed through Apple, or there may be unpaid purchases on your account. You'll need to resolve those first, either update the subscription to another payment source or settle the outstanding charges, and then try removing the card again. Also, remember that removing a card does not cancel any subscriptions you already have. Those continue until you manage them separately. And that's it. That's how you remove a credit or debit card from the App Store on an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.